You know, low vaccination rates are triggering a national health alert. The CDC says a surge of sick patients in the weeks ahead could strain capacity at local hospitals. Here to answer questions is Dr. Simone Wilds, an infectious disease specialist at South Shore Health. Good to see you, Dr. Wilds.
Good to see you.
You know, let's start with the new data here. In the last 4 weeks, hospitalizations for all age groups have increased 200% for flu, 51% for COVID, and 60% for RSV. What about here in the Boston area?
Jessica, the numbers are very alarming and concerning for us in the medical community. Here in Massachusetts, we are seeing an increase in the number of cases, however, not as significant as in other parts of the country. I will say that with regards to COVID, our numbers are up. Our wastewater data supports that, as well as RSV. With regards to flu, what we're seeing in the counties south of Boston, as well as the counties north of Boston, the numbers are very high for flu, whereas in Boston itself and the western counties, the cases are lower. So overall, numbers are better, so we really have to be vigilant about how we protect ourselves this winter.
And here's the thing here, too. The CDC says doctors are hearing the same concerns from their patients. So I want to give you some of the common concerns we keep hearing here and your reactions to them. So for the first one, I'm worried about vaccine safety.
Well, Jessica, that's one that I hear all the time. I tell my patients multiple studies have been done on vaccines to show that they're safe and effective. We've also seen that vaccines are given to millions of people, including children, so the highest standards of safety have to be utilized. And there are also continuous monitoring of vaccines just to make sure that they're safe. The side effects are usually very mild, usually what we get at this site, as well as fatigue. So definitely encourage people to get vaccines.
I want to give you another concern here. We get this here all the time as well for questions to ask you all. And one of those is, I'm worried about getting too many vaccines at once. Your thoughts?
Well, that is one that I also get a lot. And I remind my patients that, first of all, the vaccines are safe. And it's really important that when you can get multiple vaccines, all that are recommended in one single appointment, it's usually the best way to keep up to date with all your vaccines. So I said, go ahead, get your vaccines when you can, because it just really makes things easier and helps to get you protected.
Yeah, and this one from parents, right? My kids are healthy, so they don't need vaccines. Your response to that concern?
Well, what I say to the parents, I'm happy your children are healthy and we want to keep it that way. But one of the ways we can do that is by getting them vaccinated. And by getting them vaccinated helps to decrease the severity of illness and also decreases the potential spread to other children. So get your children vaccinated.
Dr. Wilds, we always appreciate your insight on this topic. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Happy holidays.